I'm Jono. Lutris versus bottles. Let's see what's under the hood.
Two open source tools for running software designed for one operating system on another. One is a preservation platform with community install scripts covering every store, every emulator, and every compatibility layer configuration since 2009. The other is an environment manager where each application gets its own isolated, backed-up, reproducible setup. Lutris and bottles. Both use the same underlying compatibility layer. Both solve different problems with it. Lutris installs that report success while the application is broken. Configurations that work until a system change makes them stop and offer no path back. Bottles, where the sandbox that protects the system also prevents the application from accessing what it needs. A controller setup described as a train wreck. The power user's Swiss Army knife and the precision tool for one application. Same ecosystem, different philosophies, different frustrations. Lutris began as the Oblivion launcher in 2009 when Mathieu Comandon switched operating systems and found the gaming guides fractured, outdated, and distribution-specific. His solution was a centralized launcher that held compatibility layer configurations in one place. The project's most distinctive innovation was the community install script. Instead of one person figuring out how to make a game run and posting instructions to a forum, the solution could be submitted as an executable script to a shared database. Any user could run it. The community's knowledge became executable. The project describes itself as a video game preservation platform. The supported sources cover every major store, several publisher-specific clients, independent platforms, and custom sources. The compatibility layer options span multiple versions, translation layers, legacy system emulators, and console emulators added in the most recent releases. The scope is the broadest of any tool in this comparison. The cost of that scope is the defining complaint. Install scripts that report success while producing broken setups. Compatibility layer runners that disappear after unrelated system changes. Configurations that work until they do not and cannot be restored by reverting the change. In September 2025, a community member posted that they were exhausted by the accumulated maintenance cost. In 2024, donation support fell by approximately 40%. The creator's time is now divided between the open source project and a commercial employer. In March 2026, a controversy over undisclosed artificial intelligence assistance in the Codebase raised questions about contribution provenance in an open source project. Bottles was created by Mirko Brombin in the early 2020s to solve a narrower problem. Not how to install and launch games from multiple sources, but how to manage individual compatibility layer environments without the complexity of doing it manually. Each application gets its own named, isolated environment with its own compatibility layer version, dependencies, and configuration. The Sandbox distribution model means a system-level update cannot break the environments inside the application. The backup and restore system is the practical capability that distinguishes Bottles from every other tool in this comparison. Snapshot an environment before making a risky change. If the change breaks compatibility, roll back to the snapshot. Duplicate a working environment to test modifications without risking the original. Lutris does not provide this with the same clarity. The adapter tool in this comparison does not provide it at all. However, the sandbox that provides the isolation also generates the most documented frustrations. When an application needs file system access, hardware resources, or network paths that the sandbox does not expose by default, the user must grant additional permissions through an external tool. In some cases, granting full file system access is the only workaround, which removes the isolation the sandbox was designed to provide. A professional design application could not authenticate. A graphics library failed to load because the driver components were outside the sandbox. A framework installer failed because a required service was not available. The rewrite currently in progress, targeting a systems programming language and a new interface toolkit, has received grant funding but creates uncertainty about timelines and migration paths for existing environments. The comparison between these two tools splits on scope versus precision. Lutris covers more ground than any other tool in this comparison. Publisher clients that only run through a compatibility layer. Legacy titles that need specific environment configurations. Console emulation through a unified interface. Community installs scripts that encode accumulated knowledge about how to make difficult software run. If the game or application you need is not covered by the dominant platform's built-in compatibility or by the store adapter tool, Lutris is where you look first. Bottles covers less ground but provides more control over the ground it covers. One application in an isolated, backed-up, version-controlled environment. The environment presets provide sensible defaults. The dependency manager handles common requirements. The Snapshot system provides a safety net that Lutris does not offer. If you need to run one specific application in a managed environment where you can roll back changes and reproduce the setup, Bottles is the tool designed for that purpose. The failure modes reflect the scope difference. Lutris fails silently. An install script runs to completion, reports success, and the application is broken. The user discovers the failure when they try to launch. Bottles fails at the boundary. The Sandbox prevents an operation the application needs. The user discovers the restriction during setup and must decide whether to weaken the Sandbox. Lutris breaks invisibly. Bottles blocks visibly. Both frustrate. The frustration from invisible breakage is harder to diagnose because the user does not know what went wrong or when it happened. The frustration from visible blocking is easier to understand, but philosophically costly because the workaround undermines the tool's core value proposition. If you need to run publisher clients, emulators, or unusual installers that require specific compatibility layer configurations with community-maintained install scripts, Lutris is the tool designed for that breadth. Accept the silent install failure as the defining risk. Verify that applications work after installation before assuming the setup is complete. Accept that compatibility layer configurations can break when unrelated system changes occur and that the broken state may not be reversible. Accept that the project's sustainability depends on a creator whose time is divided and whose funding has declined significantly. The preservation platform remains the most comprehensive collection of executable gaming knowledge available on any operating system. If you need one specific application running through a compatibility layer in an isolated, backed-up, version-controlled environment, Bottles is the tool designed for that precision. Accept that the Sandbox will sometimes prevent legitimate operations. Accept that the workaround for Sandbox restrictions may require granting permissions that defeat the purpose of the isolation. Accept that the rewrite in progress creates uncertainty about migration paths for existing environments. The Snapshot and Restore system provides a safety net that no other tool in this comparison offers with the same clarity. The two tools are complementary rather than competing. A user who needs both a publisher client running through Lutris and a specific application running in an isolated Bottles environment is not choosing redundant tools. They are choosing the right tool for each task within the same ecosystem. Lutris handles the breadth. Bottles handles the depth. Lutris installs and launches from many sources. Bottles manages and protects one environment at a time. The sustainability question applies to both. Lutris depends on donation funding that has declined and a creator whose employment is now divided. Bottles depends on grant funding for the rewrite and donations for ongoing operations. Both tools are maintained by small teams whose continued engagement is not guaranteed by any commercial model. The open source licenses mean both can be forked if development slows, but a fork of Lutris without the community install script ecosystem loses the feature that makes it distinctive, and a fork of Bottles without the rewrite direction loses the architectural future the grant was awarded to build. Use the right tool for the right job. For breadth, Lutris. For precision, Bottles. For the stores the adapter handles more cleanly, the adapter. For everything the dominant platform's built-in compatibility covers, the dominant platform. The question is not which tool is best, it is which tool fits the specific problem you need solved and whether you are willing to accept the failure mode that comes with the tool you choose.